It's just to show how to fix some issues with doors. So you can see this one right now is catching on this top edge. You can also see somebody clearly damaged it by either swinging it shut with the deadbolt out or maybe kicking it with that closed from the inside. But either way, you can see there's a split right there in this door. Anyways, looking at the hinges, it's going to be probably hard to see, but if you look here, this edge is protruding out. So this edge is sticking out too much. This edge is pushed back in. This one is relatively flat, but you can feel it's a little bit out on this side and it's a little bit in on this side, but just a little bit. This one's pretty close to flush. And then this bottom one, you can see it's pushed in this corner and it's out a little bit in this corner. So you can see there's like a little bit of a lip. You can feel that that's not flush. That's protruding and that's sitting back in. Same at the bottom. That's back in, that's protruding. And so one way to fix that is, so you can see that's where it's catching right now, it's not closing. You take this thing, it's a hinge tweaker. It's got two different sizes, depending on the size of the hinge that you're trying to do. And so basically you slide it on, in this case I need to go this way. Slide it over the hinge, and then you bend. And really what you're trying to do is bend the hinge plate. But you can just see that little bit there, it's already allowed the door to close properly. It's still tight at the top and got a bigger gap at the bottom. So I'll also do a little bit to the bottom. Other end. No, that is the smaller one. So on the bottom, I want to go the other way. So this one, you see I want to bend the hinge plate the other way. And I'll do just a little bit on the middle, but I won't pull on that one quite as hard as I pulled on the bottom. And now, let maybe close the gap a little bit at the bottom. Top is maybe still a tiny bit on the tight side, so I'll do a little bit more on the top. Yeah, now that's closing pretty nicely. So that's basically what you need to do to make adjustments to a door that's been bent out of shape.